The Smoothie Diet is a 21-day weight loss plan designed for people who wish to lose weight quickly. This process requires drinking smoothies and substituting solid meals for them in your diet. Easy, basic, and quick dishes can be found in this online recipe book. It provides extensive instructions on how to reduce weight and become healthy quickly. Sgoutas is the creator of the Smoothie Diet. He holds the title of Certified Health Coach. He developed this strategy to assist people in losing weight. Furthermore, his goal is to provide all customers with the skills they need to continue losing weight and becoming healthier after the 21-day period has ended. If you want to buy this plan to help you lose weight quickly, you will find following things with this course. Full 21-day weight loss and health improvement program. A weekly shopping list. Over 36 delicious fat-melting meal replacement smoothie recipes. Smoothie making tips and prep guide to make sure there is zero trial and error. A detox plan. The Smoothie Diet's advantages. It leads to significant weight loss. It lowers the chances of developing chronic diseases. It improves your skin clarity. It keeps blood sugar levels in check. You can choose from over 36 delectable fat-melting recipes. The diet contains plenty of fruits and vegetables which are healthy. It's a weight loss and health improvement program that lasts 21 days. But it can be used even after 21 days as long as you need it. This is a weight loss plan that is both healthful and nutritious. However, after the 21 days are over, one must be careful not to regain their original weight. So as per reviews and scientific research, it has been proved that the Smoothie Diet works perfectly and helps in losing weight and fat loss. So as per reviews and scientific research, it has been proved that the Smoothie Diet works perfectly and helps in losing weight and fat loss. Moreover, it comes with 100% money-back guarantee. For discounted and the cheapest price, please visit official link in the description below.